Good afternoon. GK is launching a revolutionary new product in the GK1 app. Now you can send money anywhere in the world with just a few clicks on your phone. Sending money to your loved ones has never been easier with GK1. Whether it's for family support, special occasions, or emergencies, you can now send money worldwide right from the GK1 app. Step 1. Get a quote. Simply select from the drop-down the recipient's country and their address information, including street address and postal code. Next, enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. Finally, choose how your recipient wants to receive the money. Step 2. GK1 will calculate the amount your loved one will receive in their local currency. If you're satisfied with the quote, proceed to the next steps. Step 3. Enter the details of the person you're sending money to, including their name, phone number, your relationship with the receiver, the purpose of the transaction, and the source of funds. Step 4. Review your transaction and choose your payment method. To protect you from fraud, we ask that you enter your login password. And that's it. Your money is on its way to your loved ones abroad. Experience the convenience and security of sending money with GK1 today. Wasn't that easy? Thanks to GK, you no longer have to wait days for your money to be sent worldwide. Want to get started? Download GK1 now.